Okay, you guys, most of it is out. You know, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my, sorry about that. Just gonna add my noodles back in, like that. And that's it, you guys. That's my leftover. See, just stirring it all up. You guys, you know what this look like? Beef tips and rice. That's what it looked like, but you guys saw how I cooked it, okay? So it's ready, and that's it. That's my leftover. Yep. Alrighty. Hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. I should share with your friends and family. Just show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up, subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you guys already subscribe to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And again, if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Okay, then I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye. Here you guys. You guys get that first big bite, mukbang bite. See? Mukbang. Yep, there you go. You got it. There you go. Mukbang bite. That's a big bite. All right. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye. Oh my God. This is called one skillet meal, I guarantee. All right, bye. I'm out of here. Guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. You know what I'm going to do, you guys? These is red onion and green onion. Now, let me show you guys something. This is my leftover, pho soup that I cooked. That's the noodles. It's already ready. And I'm going to make this as a stir-fry noodle. I'm just going to add these on ingredients I'm adding to it, because you don't want to add too much ingredient, because it will overpower, because it's got a lot of seasoning in it. Okay? So yeah, this is a short little video leftover from my pho soup. You guys, I do not like to waste nothing, if you know what I mean. Okay, now some is to put in my noodles. Oops. You know how you do a stir-fried rice? This is mainly what this is. Sorry about that, you guys. I did turn off my heat because my green onion was getting kind of really toasty there. Okay. And you don't want to overcook this, because this is already cooked. You just want to saute it. Okay, you guys, so I put me some butter in it, you know, so I don't want my noodle to dry out. Put back on the fire. Just kind of stir it around. Okay, guys, I'll add some black pepper. Just sprinkle around like that. Okay. Garlic powder. Sprinkle. Stir it up. Let's add me some little soy sauce. Get the brown. Like that. Yep, this is my, just making a leftover, so I don't want to throw nothing away, you guys. Nowadays, stuff is so expensive, if you know what I mean. Very expensive. Yep. Okay, that's how it looks. Now I'm going to transfer it look like rice, don't it? Because it is just kind of the soft, but the rice noodle. But it do look like rice, but it's not. It's the rice noodle. The leftover rice noodle that when I made my pho soup. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to transfer this in a bowl. Okay, so I transfer the noodles in the bowl. Okay, so now I'm ready to put this in my pan. The rest of my pho noodle. I'm not gonna let this, most of the juice, evaporate from the beef, okay? Because I don't want it wet. You see that garlic? Oh my God. Garlic. Yeah. Because I don't want to lose the flavor of the pho juice or the beef. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a tablespoon of this chili garlic. Because I like it spicy, if you know what I mean. Okay, so you guys, stir it up. And then I'm going to put my lid on for all the juice to evaporate from it. Because I don't want no juice. Well, look at that garlic. Look at that. Wow. I'll go ahead and, even though my vegetable is cooked, but that's okay. I might, if I can get all the juice out, I just drain it. But I still want the flavor in it, okay?